trim this part. So on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Daniel Cool here with Unbreakable for part 2 of this episode. And right now what we're going to do is, see that grinder behind us? We are going to make the same thing, but right next to it. So this is probably going to be a long project, and it might turn from probably a 20-minute video into like a 45-minute video. We're just going to have to see. And I'm so excited. Can't wait to get ready. We might have a little bit of PvP at the end. I'm not sure. But let's get right into it. Okay. How are you doing? No one cares. No one cares. No one cares. You're not important. No, it doesn't matter. I just said that because I wanted to. No. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Okay, so how was that loot? So
let's sell it after. Let's sell it after we mine the stuff. So okay. So
I don't have a pickaxe on me. We're going.
Oh my god. It's new.
I never have a pickaxe on me. I need an axe.
Start coming prepared.
Okay, so how far are we destroying this? Oh, another loot. We're slow.
Oh, you want to go?
Easy.
I'm on the last two. Haha.
You broke this one.
Yeah, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to. No, wrong one.
Got it.
Yeah, good. I got it before you.
No, I didn't. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did. I mined it before you. You didn't even have your pickaxe out when I mined it.
Okay, so how far are we destroying this?
So number one, what we're gonna need, go into shop. So
I'm poor.
The thing is, how much money do you have?
I only got 3 mil.
That's a lot. I just happen to have 10 mil right now. I got
so
6.
What do we need?
So we need to buy glass, like a couple, like.
I have clear glass, so it's not gonna work for me.
What?
I have clear glass on.
Okay, well then you should probably go change your texture pack.
Alright, bye-bye.
Okay. I'm just gonna buy some glass for you. I'll leave it in the chest so you can get it. All the materials you're gonna need. It doesn't even cost that much. It's cost like 3K. But the glowstone is a different problem.
The glowstone is a little expensive.
It's really expensive. Really, like freaking 27 costed me like 15K.
That's not bad. It's easy to make.
For glowstone, that's a lot. Okay.
Oh, I know how to get glowstone.
Once you get back,
I'm not sure if it's bannable though.
Well, just don't do it while we're recording.
Alright.
Okay.
Probably gonna get banned
go
for
to
this,
go to the block chest. Everything's in there, and then you just buy some glowstone. Because I'm not buying you any. It's too expensive.
I've got my 128 X pack on.
I don't even know what 128.
How did I die?
Where did you die?
Near the base. And my just despawned. Oh, I just took a L.
What did you have?
I had a 2 and prot 1.
Oh, thank God you didn't listen to me when I told you to put on some better gear.
For real.
Yeah. It's in the block chest. It's in the block chest.
Decent amount of stuff. I also lost some potions, so you know.
Potions don't matter.
It's basically like clear glass, but it's okay for now. I can still see glass now.
So we're gonna actually have to make this pretty far away.
I'm gonna get chest and hoppers. Oh wait, I died with those.
I have hoppers. I only have 15.
Never mind. But why is there a stack of hoppers in here?
Cause I got them from a guy. Somebody said, if you go over the limit, it's not my fault. Don't blame it on me. That's like the first thing he said. No.
I'm down for that.
We don't have over because we mined the other ones. Right now we have like 30 probably, or maybe even less. See, 1, 2,
Okay,
3,
let's see.
4,
1,
5, 6, 7, 8,
2,
9, 10, 11,
3,
12, 13,
4,
14,
5,
15, 16,
6,
17, 18,
7,
19.
8,
Yeah,
10,
about
11,
30,
12,
maybe, yeah, like
13,
25
14.
actually.
We need a 15 by 3, 4, 5, 6. A 15 by 8.
A what?
A glass box.
I don't know what you said.
Oh
15
my. Okay.
by.
That's not gonna. That's. I don't think that's gonna work.
This
Yeah, you gotta make it big. You gotta make it farther.
Okay. I'm out of glowstone. Oh, actually, glowstone. I have more.
Yeah, maybe like 3 more farther.
Roger, Roger. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's not 3.
There you go. I think that's good for now. Okay. So now.
Wait. Yeah, let's just start at this, because when I started, basically what I did was I built a bunch of glass here. I just built up right here, and so then I made the box, and then from there I went down, started making this until around here, and then I had to destroy some of it, and then I had to make this part lower, because it wasn't low enough. That's the problem, making it low enough, because the mobs died. Because I could literally,
so
like, I could fist the Endermans and they die. I just need like 2 or 3 blocks lower. So,
What's the Schematica? We just paste it in. Making materials.
I don't know how to do Schematica. I just want to play and have fun, honestly. I'm like saying to the viewers, I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to do this. I just want to have fun. That's it. See, is there any... Yeah, there is wood in here. Okay. I just made some chests.
I have 32 on me.
You have 32 what? Oh, chests?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Alright, let me just place these real quick. There we go. It's gonna be temporary.
So let me try to organize my inventory. Look kind of.
Wait a sec. How far the chest gonna go? Is it gonna be the same thing like this?
Probably. It doesn't matter. Like just close to this. Basically, what we have to do now is this. Look. Oh, what I also had to do, I had to build it like. What did you?
No, look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing.
Yeah, I got it. I got you.
No, you don't have to do it. You don't have to do it. I feel okay.
Oh yeah, cause you're PE. Oh yeah, it's so much easier for you. Okay, so I'll make it a double chest. You just make sure it's single. So go on that side.
Gotcha. I'll go fast. Oh, I messed up.
Crap. Yeah, and I messed up.
I don't have X.
I don't either.
Okay.
Okay, that's fine enough. That's fine enough. Okay. It doesn't have to be.
It?
Wait. Let me just try to make it exact real quick.
I know. We're almost there. We're almost there. I know when to stop.
1, 2, 3. Need 3 more. 3 more. 3 more. So then that's.
Wait, hold up.
That's 1. Okay. So we need like 2 more.
And that's it. We're done.
Perfect. Yeah.
I'll destroy the glass. Actually, no. We gotta keep the glass.
Yeah, use the silk touch.
Oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna get a silk.
Just do /SK. Because the other ones, they have fortune and stuff. It's weird.
/SK.
Why is there this here?
What?
Why'd you put this line here?
We could put the hoppers easier.
No, like this thing here.
What?
This.
I'm gonna find this real quick. Hold up. Okay. Now there's room for hoppers up here. Just go right here. Place them.
Here, you start from the top. I'll start from the bottom.
I don't have hoppers on me.
There should be some in the material chest. crap, I messed up.
There it is.
Let's move this here. So I can this.
I'm a PvP god with proof. That's funny. Okay. I think I just didn't mess up. Okay.
I was about to say I was nailing these and then I messed up. It's so hard. You have to like crouch as you're shifting down and you have to place it at the perfect second and you don't want to go too low or else you're going to fall out of the world.
I don't know what you mean. I'm doing it easy.
Yeah, because you're a freaking controller. It's so hard for me.
Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing. Behind you. I messed up.
Oh, I'm freaking flying. Not fair. There, I got it.
Oh, I messed up. That one's not done.
Got it.
Okay, you got it.
This went by so much faster than when I was doing that. Here, mine this glass up now.
Yeah.
I almost mined one of the hoppers, that would have been bad. I'm going to have to place it again.
No, time to recreate that. If only.
Imagine we build another one just facing that way.
Oh, envoys.
No, we're not ready. We have, like, I don't even have my gear on. We have too much valuables right now in our inventory. And by the way, this episode is going to be pretty long, so we have to use... What the... My finger's not even on my key and I'm moving forward. I'm not even touching my laptop and I'm moving forward. What?
I call hacks. We're gonna hack him somehow.
It used to happen sometimes when I was PE and Dave was saying earlier, he was like, oh my god, I'm not even touching my laptop and it's doing this.
Okay, I know. It's right there. And then...
Mind that one.
One.
And I'll build it up. You just work on the hoppers because that's kind of where you work on.
Wait, no, it's not even.
It's not?
Look how it is.
What is this? This is 3. Oh my god, what are you doing? Wait, what? Okay,
That's 3
okay,
by 3.
That's fine. I was like, wait, that's not even. Okay.
There we go. That's 3 by 3 now.
Okay, I'll build it up. You just work on the hoppers down there. Or you can...
Oh, alright. I just fell off. Okay.
Did you get kicked?
It's not a game. I got kicked right now. That's GG. They gotta remove that.
Yeah, it's so annoying. Who's gonna cheat on the server? They should just have the anti-cheat for PvP.
You just
and
or you just fly your own
Can you
island.
fly at spawn?
Yeah.
You can?
Wait, what?
Can you fly at spawn?
No, only if you have a rank.
Yeah. I think if you have /fly, you can fly at spawn. You just can't do it at PvP.
No, it said
they should
you can't
change
fly
it.
here, and you
I
can't
know.
fly. You can't fly anywhere
They
else
should.
right here.
What I'm saying, they should change it. So we could.
Okay.
Because you were like, yee. And I was like, wait, what? I'm
I
pretty
don't know
sure
what I'm
because when I didn't have my rank, we were just like focused on building or something.
Got this hopper set up.
Nice. Let me grab what's left of my...
So I'm gonna do the glass now.
I have to keep going up. Like, let's make it higher than that one.
No. We don't need to, because that's already kills them easy. The higher it is, the less...
No, it doesn't kill them easy, because 2 blocks lower... It was 2 blocks lower. They'd be like at 1 heart, or you had to fist them and they'd die. Had to fix it.
We get the same height.
Yeah, probably. Just checking something on Discord right now. Oh, okay. I just checked the video again. Okay, so I know how to do this again. I I forgot. Oh, what are you? You have your own little building area way or whatever you're doing.
I'm just going in circles.
You know, this alone would have taken me like 20 minutes. But right now it's been like 10 minutes only. It's so easy.
Okay, we're done. Wait, stop.
Wait, let me test this. It's perfect. It's perfect.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not perfect. Ahead, it's this. One more up.
No, look. 'Cause this is for something else. This is this. When you go one more up, then you have to build out like this. See? You build out. Hey, look.
I'm actually confused.
Trust me. Just we're done. We just have to build out now. Wait, let me go check how much we have to build out, because I didn't really pay
15.
attention to this.
You gotta build out 15.
Okay. 15 on each side?
But overall it has to be 15.
Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, yep.
Here, just tell me when to stop, because I don't know what I'm doing right now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Try to build it in the other direction, because we don't want to get too close to that.
But how big is this now? 3. Build it more over here.
More here?
Yeah, on that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's kind of hard to tell, like,
11.
where you've placed it.
This is 11. We need more. That's just 12. 13.
Wait.
14.
One more here, one more here.
Hold up. You gotta make sure it's even. 6 right there. 5 right there. Okay. So right here. There we go. It should be 15.
1,
3,
2, 3, 4,
6, 9, 12.
Yeah, that's 15. That's 15.
4, 5,
Perfect.
6, 7.
So then
8, 9, 10. That's 15.
Yeah. Okay. So then we have to do the same thing going this way.
Yeah, but line it up with this one.
So wait, this is 4 now. I got it. So 15 is like crap.
And then gotta build the wall. Wait. I think we actually messed up.
No, we didn't. Don't worry. Because the middle part kind of messes you up. You don't want to count from the middle. See? Look.
Make the walls. We're gonna make the walls now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I only count 14. Let me count again.
Make the wall.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's not right.
It's 15. It's 15 by 15 by 8. 15 by 8 by 15.
But look, this doesn't match up though.
That's 5. Why is this so bigger?
4.
I just copied what you did here.
You made your side too small, because this is only 14. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You made your side too small.
By 1.
Yeah, by 1. Or actually, just the top part. Oops. Okay. Let's see.
Watch my breaking skills. Ready?
Go. How did you do that? That was actually kind of impressive.
So. Okay. A fly, please. Okay. I'm actually trying breaking right now. Okay?
Too late.
Ready? Okay, if I don't fall. Okay. I just fell after the first block.
Don't, because then it's a waste of time.
No one saw that.
Sorry, that was my bad. What was that? I see you coming up and then you fall.
My fly just got disabled. Okay, let's try again. That's 5 blocks. That's good.
I don't even know how you're doing that. I just know you can't do it on PC. Oh no. What am I gonna do?
Just fast forward this clip and put music in the background.
Yeah, well, but it's probably not gonna work, so we have to act like it's not. And then people are hearing us saying act like it's not. That's so weird.
What do you mean?
God.
Just do just
I'm
like
out of
put
glass
music in the background
again.
and disable the sound.
This is like a lot of glass. I had to buy like glass like a lot when I was building the other one.
Buy some.
I mean, right now, if you guys want to copy us, like right now, you can just start the video from the beginning and just copy us.
I just want to fast forward.
I don't mind.
Just fast forward this.
Because this isn't even my build. And actually, the person who built this is Cairo Void. You should go search him up on YouTube. He has some really cool videos. He's made some live streams, which one of them went up today. You can go check out his channel. It's really cool. And so this is actually where I got this idea from. And it's not my idea, like I said in the other video.
Cairo's on.
Is?
Yeah, he just typed in chat.
Yeah, there. Cairo Void. So enter this exact username into YouTube, and you'll find his
Oh my god! Look at these mobs in here.
Where?
I'm waiting for them to die.
Oh my god.
Fall to your death. That's so much mob.
Oops, I messed up.
You're bad.
Oh well. You know what?
Okay,
I actually have a friend. You know when I was talking to you about inviting more people to the island? I have a friend that used to play Minecraft. I don't know if he wants to play it, but if he does and he sees this video, he can always just give me a call, and then he can ask if he wants to play.
That name's Cairo.
Yes.
He's a Randy. But still sub to me.
He's not a Randy. I bought him his other rank, however you say it.
Oh yeah, huh?
I'm also getting Atlas for all those spawners. That's how I got them.
Wait, what? You're getting Atlas?
I'm going to. Probably when they add the upgrade option.
Is that how you got all the spawners?
Yeah. I thought you said you knew how. Oh, I did.
No.
I
lied.
Like, I MSG'd him. Did you tell Unbreakable that the deal thing? He was.
Wait, how much is Atlas anyways? An upgrade.
Upgrade. He has other, so it's like $15.
Isn't Atlas Prot 2?
Atlas is Prot 3.
It is. I thought that was Cirrus.
Cirrus is Prot 4.
Ah.
Zeph is Prot 5.
So this is how you got all the spawners.
Yes.
At first I thought you just grinded these mobs out. So
really?
Like, oh,
you actually thought I'd spend that much time? I don't even think if I grinded like all night and all morning, I don't think I could even grind that much.
I could do it if I tried.
Like literally, I was watching on his stream, watching him trying to mine them, but he kept getting distracted, and it took him so long to finally mine them all and then trade them to me. It was just like
I dared to scam him. Danny, you there?
Yeah.
We need a couple more. We need like I think a stack.
So
more.
I have a story for you. So a long time ago, I used to play a prison server. That was my first Minecraft server that I ever played.
Wait, which one? ECP?
No, that was prisons, and that was before I even knew about ECP. And that's not an important server. Kyanite is the best server, and
at the moment.
Yeah, always at the moment.
In your opinion.
And so at that time, I used to scam everyone because that's how I made my money, right? After a while, people started not trusting me, not making any deals. Every time I'd say selling stuff and I was going to scam people, they wouldn't do it. And whenever I actually wanted to trade some stuff because I needed it, they wouldn't do it. After a while, people started targeting me because I had scammed them. And after a while, I ruined that server for myself because I kept scamming people. Now, I never, ever scam anyone because I've learned my lesson, and that will actually teach a lot of people. So if you're watching this video and you scam, not even in Minecraft, any other server in life, just know it never
I scam like
pays.
money.
It never pays to scam. Just if you've done it in the past,
Free
try to
money.
return it to whoever you've done it. Try to make good on what you've done wrong. It'll just make you feel better.
Life lessons.
Yeah, and when I was doing it, I didn't feel good. I started having nightmares, and people started targeting me, and then they found out my IP, and they were mad at me for scamming them, and then they murdered me. And so I just didn't feel good about it. When I joined ECPE, another server, I decided never to scam.
What season did you join anyways?
Like season 6, but that's not important. And
I think it's around like season 5.
Yes. So yeah, that's not something I do anymore, and that's not something I plan
Wait,
on
wait,
doing.
wait. Oh, never mind.
And I'm glad I learned my lesson about that, because that's going to help me on later in life.
Is it okay if I hacked an LBSG back in 1.1?
With LBSG.
Yeah, I hacked, and then I was bored.
What kind of hacks?
Toolbox.
What's that?
Don't worry about it. But yeah, and I stopped. I don't know why. We need glowstone.
What? I already have glowstone.
We need glowstone.
Don't waste
okay.
money. I don't have a lot of glowstone. Yeah, I'm about to be out of
Yeah,
glowstone.
fill everything but the middle. I'm pretty sure that's how it is. Let me see. Yeah, but the middle.
Slash.
No, it's just the outline.
I'll be right back. I
of
need
it.
to get some signs.
It's just the outside of it. Yeah, I'll get some signs.
Why am I going to my ender chest? Okay, signs.
Oh my god.
There's some. What happened?
This hack is actually annoying. I like it, but it's too high resolution. Okay, I'm gonna get buckets of water now. Okay, I got buckets now.
You can just buy water. It's super cheap.
Too late. I already get some. Do you have glass on you?
We have a problem. My PC is running low on batteries, so let me just plug it in real quick. Viewers, you never saw anything. Don't worry about that. You never saw anything.
Just cut it right there.
I don't know how. Honestly.
Mind me in.
What?
Mind me in.
Don't you have a silk touch?
I don't have silk touch. I put it away.
There you go.
Just mind me in. Okay.
Actually, I need to go.
You have more gloves, dog?
I'm about to buy some.
Alright, I know we need signs, like 9 signs.
There, I got you.
Don't throw them in there. Okay, never mind. If I could throw them in there, I'd be like, you're actually done with you.
Wait, question. Did you get the hopper system down here working?
Yeah.
Well, also, while I was building the other one, I forgot to put signs on, so water leaked down there, and it took, like, legit, it took 20 minutes for the water to drain. It was so slow. Like, I had to wait 20 minutes until I could kill all the mobs that had fallen in the water and hadn't died, and then open it up so I could unblock it, and then so the mobs could actually start falling down. And it was just really complicated.
Place the rest of the glowstone.
Okay, I gotta buy some real quick. Blocks. Glowstone. Like.
I want an MLG water bucket right now. Oh my god, someone's being toxic.
What happened? Oh my. Spammer. No, look, I'm the best. Oh, okay, well, we're not gonna say that. So he is about to. Let's see if there's any mods on, because I'm pretty sure Ugly Krister's on.
Yep.
He is.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go.
Right,
for language and spam.
You messed up. You messed up twice.
Whatever. Don't mind him. I have a soap. Crap. I messed up 3 times.
No, that's it. That's all you need.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bam. 1 water bucket. Water bucket. 3 water bucket, and 4 water buckets.
Okay.
I still don't know how you did it.
Okay, I know how I did it. Don't worry. No, don't do anything. Don't do anything yet. / shop.
Wow. Yeah, buy a couple waters.
Yeah.
I want an MLG water bucket, so I'm gonna get water real quick.
Okay, right there. Right there. Right there.
I'm actually losing hunger.
Right there. And I'll put it there and there, I think. So I'll just fill all these up. Doesn't matter.
Alright, Danny. I'm an MLG water bucket on one of the chests. No, wait. Okay, if I MLG water bucket this, you owe me 2 mil.
No.
And if I fail, I owe you 2 mil.
What do you mean by MLG water bucket this?
You know, like this is what it is.
Just
you jump off
try
high,
it.
You have to land it. You have to place a water bucket at the right time so you can land in it.
What do you mean?
That's what it is. Okay, let me demonstrate to you. Come here. Okay, if I don't land, okay, I know I'm not gonna land this. It's pretty high. Alright. Maybe I'll fly. Hold on.
Oh, you're gonna die! Oh my god! And your stuff is gonna spill everywhere.
I don't have anything on me.
Oh.
Okay, ready? MLG water bucket. Lag. Wait, I can get the water. Where'd the water go? I lagged. Yeah. That? Oh, I have it now. There you go. Daddy, oh my, I had no fly. Okay. Well, TP me back up there. We're gonna do it again. Okay. TP a army up there.
Okay.
Alexa, / TPA.
I couldn't think of your name for a second. I was like, wait, what was his name again?
Okay. I'm on fly. Obviously on fly, because I'm jumping a lot.
Okay. Go.
If I land this, you owe me 1.5 mil. If I don't, I owe you 1.5 mil. You?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, can I have some food first? I'm at 100. Just toss me some food. Toss me some cooked.
Remember that
Okay.
your mom's a get beef? Like
Your
I
mom's-
killed
your
someone
mom's
and then he
cooking.
dropped like 32 of those and I was like, what? So I was
Okay,
like, ooh,
ready?
maybe I should put that
Ready?
for Unbreakable. Go.
Okay. I landed it.
How are you so good at that? Oh no. Crap.
1.5 mil, please.
Alright.
Yes, let's go. I'll do it even higher. Flash HUD on. I need to make a higher place so I can do it. How much money do you have?
8.4 mil now.
Alright, I'm gonna do the most riskiest thing ever. Build it higher, TP me. And I'm gonna land it. And if I land it, you owe me all your money. If I don't, I owe you all my money. Deal?
Now let's just focus on.
Oh, it makes me done.
No, let's just focus on it. And when you have a chance,
Okay.
go look at your Discord and don't mention it, okay?
I don't mention what?
Just look at your Discord.
Okay. So we'll do it after,
Quiet.
right?
Quiet. We have to focus
No,
on
like
this.
I meant do the water bucket after.
I don't know. Wait. So we're done, except we have to place the spawners now, right?
No. Does this look done to you?
Sort of. Okay, here, I'll place the rest of it, don't worry.
The water's not flowing.
It is? What are you talking about?
It's not working. See, I'm jumping right here. See? Are you sure you did this right?
Yeah.
I got you. Hold up. last. I choose you. Stack. Hey, no, you messed it up. You messed it up.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Look it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. That's too close.
No, look what. Okay. What I'm gonna do? Okay. It has to work. No, nothing. It has to work. It doesn't work.
That took up a lot.
It works.
Good job. Now do this side too. Or I can do it, I think.
No, I'm gonna do it. No, you're doing it wrong.
What do you
There.
mean?
I'm gonna this side.
Oh, then
There.
this is there.
Wait, let that side fix up. Hold up, it's fixing itself.
Perfect.
Yep, there we go. Now we just need spawners.
Okay. So hold up. So the way
Hold
I
up,
did
wait a
it
sec.
was
How many spawners now?
1,
Want to buy
2,
some more
3,
spawners?
4,
Or just keep our money?
Wait. Spend all what you have of your money, even the 1.5 mil, on the on cows, because cows can make.
Alright, so all on cows.
Yeah, all on cows.
Okay. Let's see, trap. Let's spam me again. How many cows?
As many as you can afford.
7, 14, 21, 28, 35. How much money do you have? 35. I go 4 or 5 spawners.
That's pretty good. Okay, let's do it.
It's not bad.
People are getting warned, like. Earlier.
Okay, they're just
Bro, this
4?
guy's a guy just got warned for spamming. Another guy just got warned for safe zone hitting earlier.
There. I got 5 now.
You got 5. No, don't place it there. Okay, fine. These two are gonna be the cows. One of these is gonna be the blaze, and the other is gonna be Enderman.
No. Yeah, let's do that.
You're like, oh no. Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
Let's go, YOLO! I'm mining all these up at the same time.
No, don't mine all of them. Watch out for clear lag.
I just mined 4 of them. Like YOLO, all.
Be careful.
Yeah, I'm like really careful.
It's waiting out for clear entities. There we go.
Okay, move that.
Just trying to activate these spawners. Are these gonna spawn? What?
I grabbed the perfect amount, by the way. 5, and since you had 5, so that's like that's 10 cows here.
Wait, destroy this glass and just put a cow here.
Wait, problem. This is too low now because I didn't notice there was a glass.
Yeah, just mine it.
Okay, I got it. The entity's clear yet?
And the other. No. But yeah, I cleared a while ago.
Okay, I'm just gonna
grab it
real quick. Hurry! YOLO!
I got it.
You got it. Nice. Okay. Remind
yeah, there's on here.
Okay. That's pretty good. Let's go. What I'm thinking. Nah. How do you get out of here, dude? So what we'll do is right here, we'll put that.
There's cows on the roof.
Okay. So we'll put that there. So we know it's there. Why are there cows there? And we'll put that there. So that's how you know where the holes are, and that's how we're gonna get in. So
I just fell. That's okay. I was on fly. You can't combo nobody. Look at this cow. Easy.
I was trying to hit you. I was trying to knock you off. Okay.
So
now comes the really risky business.
Are we doing the Endermans?
Yeah.
Hold up. Wait a sec. Till entity's clear.
Yeah, we're gonna. Endermans are like 4.6 mil. We're waiting for entities. Oh, entities cleared. Don't worry.
Okay, I'm trusting you. Wait, server starts in 30 seconds. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing.
Okay, I got the 2 spawners. That's it.
I bet we're gonna lose some spawners here, but you know, whatever.
Okay. Guys, we'll be right back when the server resets.
No, I won't.
Okay, we're gonna take a cut in the recording now.
Hey, wait, be quiet. I'm playing Fortnite Android right now.
You are? Really?
Yeah, I'm playing some Fortnite, bro. I'm first place. I win. I just won.
No, you don't.
I'm too good.
I don't even believe you have a Fortnite account on mobile, or even on Xbox, or PS4, or laptop. Is the server gonna reset or what? Oh, there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go check how long we've been recording for.
Hold up, I'm not in yet.
Wait, how long have we been recording? How do you check?
I don't know. But we've been in call for almost 2 hours.
So, probably like 45 minutes, yeah. My estimated amount of time. My god, I'm gonna die. Thought I said my home properly. Slash.
I wish I had more homes, but I don't.
Yeah.
It's.
Oh shoot! I just placed the Enderman spawner. I meant to eat an E-gap. I placed an Enderman spawner.
What the hell? Where'd you place it?
At F1.
Oh.
Okay, slash fly.
The towels are fine. Everything's fine now.
Oh my god, fly. Look at this. Look at this. Come over here, look how many mobs are falling, and look how fast. Just look. Okay, come back to F1.
I'm here. Oh my lord.
Like a second ago, there were like so many. Just wait, they're about to all spawn again.
We have 2 dubs.
No, come back, hurry, come back. Look. Only a second now. Oh yeah, there they go.
Not going to.
Look at it.
Not going too quick. Loot in here anymore. There's still tons of loot in here. Just leave it. We'll stop AFKing them one day. Well, in a bit. So,
one day.
Wait for entity clear, and then start.
Okay, 3.
Oh, wait, entity just cleared a while ago.
I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna step back in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, what's going on? We're back. And so luckily we didn't lose the Enderman spawners, which sometimes happens whenever the server resets. Servers
so trash.
Like here, this is the look. This is the main server reset. When it just says server is restarting, that's when an admin decides and the server is really laggy, just to reset it and clear some lag. That's basically all. Okay. So back to the Enderman. Okay, let's see. Let's mine these 2. Did we? Wait, I'm getting MSG'd on Discord again.
How much? What do we mine? We can mine this.
Okay, I fixed it. What?
Yo, someone just said, do you remember me from ECPE? Actually, yeah, kinda.
Who is it?
Elite Wolf KPYT.
Oh, I saw him on ECPE. When is entities gonna clear? Oh, it just cleared. Okay.
Yeah, it just cleared. Let's go.
Okay, I got them. Those are Endermen. These are also Endermen. We have 4 actually. That's
he just messaged me. Oh, I'm not gonna say he. I'm not gonna assume genders here. And he said they got a controller. Nice. Okay. I think we should mine this one.
I already got all the ones we're gonna mine. I just got. Wait. I didn't get that one. I think it just.
I think it just fell in there.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm gonna go check.
Yeah. Here, I'll check because I have the other spawners.
Too late. Oh shoot. Yeah, I don't know.
It's right here. It's right here. It's right here. Don't worry, I got it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Alright, nice.
This might seem boring, but in the long run, it's gonna make us cash on
ton of money.
Yeah. Why isn't this like this? 1, 2,
Oh
3,
my god, guys.
4, 5.
We just made a super duper ultimate grinder for Skyblock. Kyanite. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, intro here. Wait, what is this one? And these? Nice.
Yeah.
Oh my god. What this and this?
Now we're gonna go for the expensive one, the blazes.
Wait, what's more expensive? That's cool. That's actually cool. Whoa, this is weird. I'm X-raying right now.
What? How?
Come here. I'm gonna show you. Come here. Like go down a little bit to like under the, like above the sides, but underwater, and like you can see everything so clear. See it? There you go.
Wait, you
Someone's
see
hacking.
the water? You see the water?
Yeah, I can see the.
See like the glowstone?
Go F5. Go F5 and look up. Look down. It looks weird. Now look down.
Oh yeah, it does.
Oh god, I'm about to die. Okay. So, what's next?
The expensive one.
Oh yeah,
Blaze is probably the
Blaze.
most. Blaze is very expensive, but it's not.
IDs are expensive but useless.
Yeah, they're like basically useless because you can mine iron when you're mining in cobble generators. So you have to make it really low. The price.
A Blaze, this and this one.
So we're gonna move this cow.
No, come here, no. This one.
We're gonna move this cow to.
Danny.
What?
And this one and these ones right here. The entity's cleared. You got that one. I'll sit down here.
I didn't get it. Did you get it?
Oh, you fell in there.
No, entity's clear. Entity's cleared when I mined it, I think.
Not done, I don't know.
Whatever.
Rip.
That's not. We didn't even pay for these, so.
So, we're all good.
Because we didn't pay for any of these blazes. Most of them I got for free from asking our allies. And some of them, like I said, the Atlas. Move, cows. I'm losing these because the cows are getting in my face. This is so annoying.
I will get them. Let me see. Okay, there's one spawner in here.
Oh.
I only see one though.
Never mind, because it wasn't stacking. I need help. Okay, Dark Lord Gamer 12 needs help / F home.
Wait, what? What do you do? What's happening?
I don't know. I have no idea. I'm just gonna put this stuff away real quick.
Don't put the spawners away too. Don't forget that.
Yeah, I put them away. Let me just put this.
Wait, where are you going?
I'm gonna go to his base. I think that's where he needs help.
I bet he tried to TP trap somebody and he got caught.
No, he would never TP trap anyone.
Wait. Where'd you put the spawners at?
I forgot. In one of those chests though.
Alright, I'm gonna see. No. My texture pack is hard to see spawners.
6, let's see, where is he? /tell the dark. Dark. Okay.
I can't tell.
What's wrong?
I can't tell if they're spawners. No. We have a stack of diamonds.
Yeah. So cool.
I don't know what chest you put them in.
Yes. Wait,
what happened?
Oh crap, he almost lost his sheep. Touch.
Hurry up back.
I think this is it. Oh shoot, I just messed up.
How?
The glitch again.
Rip.
Let me put it in there. Hopefully when I go back and look, it'll be fixed. What? Where'd it go?
Wait, where are you?
I think I just lost a bunch of spawners because the thing lagged.
Yeah, because I don't know where they are. Oh, hit a mob. See if that works.
I think it fixed. Oh, he got a blaze somehow. Oh, he got my blaze. Okay, the fudge. This thing is lagging.
Oh, look, it's husk.
No, why is there a cow spawner? Crap.
How bad did you mess up? 1 through 10.
Pretty bad. This entire thing just messed up.
Rip.
He just got those first.
I bet they're yours. I can say, oh no, it was mine. I don't know what you're talking about.
No, he wouldn't.
Bet. Because where your spawner's at?
That was my fault. I was lagging.
It's what you put in the chest.
Yeah, okay, those are mine then.
So, boom, game real quick.
Oh my!
What? Annie.
I just messed up. I just mined
What
it.
did you do?
I just didn't mine it with a silk. I just lost 4 blaze.
L. Oh, you took an L.
Oh, my inventory with the... I'm gonna relog. We'll be right back, guys. I mined them without a silk. I mined 4 of them without a silk touch.
Oh my god, why?
Because you placed them, I was trying to mine them. Because my freaking inventory was lagging, it changed my silk touch to
Yo,
Cirrus.
you know that Daniel kid?
What?
Daniel YT Cirrus.
Yeah. Why?
You know him?
Yeah.
He said, could I was wondering if my fat can ally with your fat. What should I say?
1 second. Wait, what happened?
Someone wants to ally with us.
Who is it?
Daniel YT Cirrus. Sirius. I don't know how to spell it. Let me say it.
Tell him to say something in chat so I can see his faction.
Okay. Slash tell Daniel. Say it. Type in chat.
Okay, which one should I mine? This one is 4, so then 5.
He's not typing in chat. I don't know.
This Let's mine this one. Oh my god, I just mined so many more without a silk touch. I'm such an idiot.
Oh my god, dude.
Just ally with them, I don't care. I literally have gotten 9 experience points.
How many spawners did you mine?
Like, I don't know. 7 blaze.
Well, rip spawners.
Oh my freaking god.
How is there a spawner in my inventory?
Wait, what?
There's a spawner in my inventory.
There is?
I just placed it. It's a blaze.
There's my touch.
Just use it. Keep every pickaxe out of your inventory besides the silk.
Yeah.
Because you already messed up twice and lost tons of spawners.
I didn't even have it in my inventory because it changed from a silk touch to a Cirrus, or however you say it. Why is there a blaze up here?
We
have like nothing in there. That's how sad it is. And we don't have a lot of. Let's see, how much do we have left? We only have 7 blaze, bro.
You messed up.
I'm sorry. I just got 2 more blaze, so I'm gonna put that there and there.
Just don't mind anymore. Just leave it like that. Don't matter. Just leave this like that.
I'm just gonna mind these cows.
No, just leave it. Just leave it.
No, because there's too many in here compared to the other one.
Okay. I'm gonna ally with them, but I'm not gonna go PvP.
What?
I'm gonna ally with them, but if they say go PvP, I'm not gonna go.
I think some of the spawners just dropped into the hoppers. I got 3, but I mined 5.
It said TQVM. I don't speak that language. I don't know what he's saying.
Are they gonna be in here? Are you lagging? Oh, server reset. Or an admin reset.
And my game crashed. We're almost done. It took like an hour maybe.
Oh my god, I haven't even fixed my home yet. I keep thinking I set my home up there, but I haven't. It's so weird. No, I'm setting my home right now.
Alright, barely logging on. I'll probably go play some Prison on alt, because I got banned on my main.
For what?
That's later on, probably like 2 hours. An hour or 2.
What did you get banned for?
Supposedly, speed mine hacking.